If you need to share a file or folder quickly, OneDrive makes it simple to create a link in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a OneDrive link, choose the right sharing permissions, and copy it so you can send it anywhere you want. This is a super useful skill if you want to share documents, photos, folders, or work files with friends, co-workers, or clients. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you are not already signed in, enter your email and password to continue. Once you're inside OneDrive, look for the section called My Files. This is where all of your uploaded files and folders are stored. Now find the file or folder that you want to share. You can click on a document, image, video, or even an entire folder depending on what you need. Once you've selected it, look at the top of the page and click the Share button. This is the main option that lets you generate a sharing link for your item. After clicking Share, OneDrive will give you a few sharing choices. You can choose anyone with the link if you want the file to be accessible to people who receive the link. Or if you want more control, choose specific people so only certain users can open it. This is especially helpful for private or work-related files. Next, you'll need to choose the permission level. If you only want other people to open and read the file, select Can View. If you want them to be able to make changes, choose Can Edit. Always double check this setting before continuing because it controls exactly what other people can do with your shared file or folder. Once your sharing settings are correct, click Apply. OneDrive will save the permissions you selected and prepare the shareable link. After that, click Copy Link. This copies the OneDrive link directly to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, chat message, website, or social media post. Now your OneDrive link is ready to use. You can paste it wherever you need and send it to the person you want to share with. Just remember that the link will give access based on the permissions you selected, so if you chose View Only, they can only view the file. If you chose Edit Access, they'll be able to make changes too. And that's how you create a OneDrive link in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.